This is a video about the Sitemorse Index. We publish the Sitemorse Index on our website at sitemorse.com/index. When we assess a site for quality, we create a number of scores in different categories, including accessibility, broken links, broken emails, SEO, etc., along with an overall score for the site. Each quarter, we assess all the websites in a sector, such as local government, London-listed PLCs, police services, etc. We look at the first 125 pages and the first 10 PDFs we find, perform exactly the same tests on each site, then work out all the scores, then publish the results. That is the Sitemorse Index. We've been doing this since 2006, and it's a great way to compare your website with others in your sector, whether they are your peers or your competitors. The main page for the Sitemorse Index has all the latest index results with the most recent first. Each item in the table can be selected. As an example, let's look at the most recent one when we created this video, which is UK London listed PLCs for the third quarter of 2021. However, you might want to go and explore other sectors, such as see how your local authority does in the local government sector. The summary screen shows you the website that achieved the highest overall score and the one that improved the most since the last time the index was run. Also shown are the top 10 sites with the highest score and risers and fallers. If you click the full results, you can see the sites ranked in order along with their change since last time, their score, and a coloured bar representing their score for each time we ran an index in that sector. If you mouse over the bar, you can see the score that site had each quarter going back several years. It's an easy way to see which sites are improving, as the scores improve progressively, and also which are maintaining their site quality. Each site name is a link to more detail. This shows a chart, but you can add and remove scores for each of the individual categories. If you're not already a Sitemorse client, you can purchase the full results of this report. If you don't want to do that, you can still see a lot of useful information by clicking on the View Priorities button. Here you can see the 10 pages we identified with the most important issues. A management overview of the most important issues across all pages, and a developer view of the issues most likely to require a developer to address. Remember, all of this is free, so even if you don't buy the full report, make use of this information to improve your site, especially for accessibility and broken links. If you scroll all the way to the end of the details section, you will see we only load the first 50 pages by default. There's a lot of information to load, so rather than keep you waiting, we start with the first 50 pages. If you want to see the rest, click on the View All link. There are a couple of interesting links right at the foot of the page. Let's look at the second one of these first, and that is Report Statistics. Report Statistics shows information about this particular index run. For example, across all the sites in this index, we tested nearly 900,000 URLs and performed over 290 million tests, checks and measures on all the pages and PDFs. You can expand each of the tabs to see more information, such as accessibility and performance, overall, what percentage of PDFs passed accessibility tests, etc. The second link on the full results page is the Build Your Own link. With this, you can create a table of just the information that interests you. For example, let's say you're interested in the percentage of pages that fail A and AA tests along with the overall score. Select these from the options and click Update. Want to keep a copy of these so you can use the information elsewhere? Don't copy the web page, just click the Download Excel button. Now you have all the information in a nice and easy way to analyze it and create charts. Go explore sitemorse.com/index. Thank you for watching this video about the Sitemorse Index.